Welcome to week 12 of 52 circles, and our prompt this week is fray, which is one of my favourite techniques. So I've got my calico base circle, some stalk scissors with a fine point, and a selection of fabrics which will fray easily. So I tend to use a mixture of kind of synthetics and kind of loose weave fabrics. So you start by layering up your materials. You want about 4 or 5 layers, or as much as you kind of dare putting through your sewing machine. So building up a range of colours and textures, all going in the same direction, because we're going to kind of stitch lines over the top and then cut through them. And these are going to blend together to kind of mix when we fray the sample at the end. So you want colours that are kind of going to go together in a complementary way. A bit of scrim going on there, a mixture of sari silks, some kind of offcuts of fabrics from other projects and things. So a really good way of using up scraps of material that are lying around. Loosely pin those together just to secure them. And then I put some threads over the top as well. So this is just a roll of kind of fairly thick blue thread with a luster to it. So I've just cut some of those, and I'm going to have those as a kind of top layer on top of my sample. So I'm just putting it through the sewing machine now, just rows of straight stitch. I've gone for quite a dark thread so that you can see the lines that I'm creating, but obviously you can choose a harmonising colour that will disappear into the final sample. And I'm just doing lines of straight stitch. They can be quite close together or a variety of widths, but you need to be able to get the blade of the scissors in between each line of stitching. So we keep going until the whole sample is secure. And obviously the further apart your lines, the fluffier your sample will be. This is classic bad filming here. So what I'm actually doing, but you can't see because I haven't got my hands in the right position, is cutting through the layers of the fabric. So making sure that with my sharp stalk scissors, I'm going right through to the base. And then I'm giving it a good brush with a pan brush. So something like a nail brush would work really well. Brushing it in different directions to really kind of loosen up those fibres and encourage them to fray. And you can use the bits that kind of come off onto the brush as an extra layer to kind of couch on top of your sample. Here's my finished entrance for this week. So I look forward to seeing your samples. Don't forget to share them with the hashtag 52circles. See you next week.